Can a philosophy rooted in ancient wisdom, Stoicism, intersect with the cutting-edge field of artificial intelligence? This is a question that may seem peculiar at first glance. After all, how can a philosophy born in the bustling markets and lecture halls of ancient Greece possibly have anything to do with the complex algorithms and data-driven predictions of artificial intelligence, a technology that's very much a product of the digital age? Stoicism, for those unfamiliar with the term, is a philosophy that encourages us to accept the things we cannot change, and to focus instead on the things we can. It's about understanding the world as it is, not as we might want it to be, and finding peace and contentment in that understanding. Stoicism teaches us to be resilient, to be composed, and to be mindful, principles that are timeless and universally applicable. Artificial intelligence, on the other hand, is a field of study that focuses on the creation of intelligent machines that can learn from experience, adjust to new inputs, and perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. It's a branch of computer science that's transforming industries and changing the way we live, work, and play. Now you might be wondering, where's the link? How can Stoicism, a philosophy based on human wisdom and introspection, intersect with artificial intelligence, a field that's all about machine learning and data analysis? The answer is surprisingly simple. Both Stoicism and artificial intelligence are fundamentally about understanding and adapting to the world around us. Stoicism does this through philosophy and introspection, while AI does it through algorithms and data processing. In other words, Stoicism provides the philosophical framework for understanding the world, while AI provides the technological tools for interpreting it. And when these two are combined, the result is a powerful synergy that can help us navigate the complexities of the modern world with wisdom, clarity, and resilience. As we delve deeper, we'll uncover how these two, Stoicism and artificial intelligence, can indeed intersect and coexist. To understand this intersection, we must first grasp the principles of Stoicism. Stoicism, an ancient Greek philosophy, offers us a roadmap to navigate life with serenity and moral virtue. It rests on three core principles. First, there's the understanding of what is within our control. Stoics argue that we should focus our energy on what we can change and influence, like our thoughts, actions, and responses. The weather, other people's opinions, or the course of global events, those are beyond our control. Trying to control them only leads to frustration and discontent. The second principle is acceptance of what is not within our control. This principle is a natural extension of the first. Once we recognize what we can't control, we learn to accept it. Stoicism teaches us to embrace the inevitable, whether it's change, loss, or even death. This acceptance isn't about resignation, but about finding peace in the face of life's unpredictability. Finally, the pursuit of virtue is the third principle. Stoicism holds that virtue is the highest good and the source of our happiness. Virtue, in this context, refers to qualities like wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. Stoics believe that living a virtuous life leads us to a state of tranquility and fulfillment, known as eudaimonia. Throughout history, these principles have been applied in various ways. The Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius, for instance, used Stoicism to lead with wisdom and fairness. In modern times, Stoicism has found a place in cognitive behavioral therapy, helping individuals to manage their reactions to stressful situations. Stoicism isn't about suppressing emotions or being indifferent to the world around us. Rather, it's about understanding the nature of our emotions and the world, and responding to them with wisdom and virtue. It's about finding serenity in the midst of chaos, about accepting life as it unfolds, and about striving for moral excellence. With a grasp of these principles, we can now look at how they might apply to artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, a field of computer science, operates on principles that may seem worlds apart from Stoicism. But let's dive deep into the functioning of AI and see how it works. At its core, artificial intelligence is a complex network of algorithms. These aren't just any algorithms, mind you, they're designed to mimic the human brain's neural networks, hence the term neural networks. The way these networks function is by receiving input, processing it, and producing an output, much like our brains do when we perceive and interact with the world around us. A significant aspect of AI is machine learning. Now, the word learning may make you think of a student studying for an exam, but in the context of AI, it's a bit different. Machine learning is a method used by AI to improve its performance over time. It does this by analyzing vast amounts of data, learning patterns and trends within that data, and then making predictions or decisions based on what it has learned. It's like a child learning to identify animals. The more pictures of animals it sees, the better it gets at identifying them. The ultimate goal of AI is to simulate human intelligence. It strives to not only understand and learn from data, but also to perceive emotions, understand natural language, and even make decisions. This is what we call artificial general intelligence, where AI can perform any intellectual task that a human being can. Now you might be thinking, that's far out. How does this align with Stoicism, a philosophy centered on accepting the present moment and focusing on what's within our control? After all, AI is about algorithms, data, and simulation of human intelligence, while Stoicism is about acceptance, control, and wisdom. It seems like we're comparing apples to oranges, doesn't it? AI and Stoicism appear to operate on entirely different planes, with AI focusing on evolving intelligence and Stoicism on evolving wisdom. But, if we look closely, we might just find some common ground. Despite these differences, there are surprising parallels between Stoicism and AI, as we'll discover next. Stoicism and AI, though vastly different, share some intriguing similarities. As we delve deeper into these two concepts, we find unexpected commonalities that bridge the gap between ancient philosophy and modern technology. Let's consider the Stoic principle of focusing on what's within one's control. Stoics believe that we should direct our energy and attention only towards things we can influence. This philosophy helps them maintain tranquility and resilience, even in the face of adversity. Now let's draw a parallel to artificial intelligence. An AI system operates based on the data it has been fed. It focuses solely on the information it can process, disregarding any extraneous variables. This concentration on what's within its control, much like the Stoic principle, allows an AI to function efficiently and effectively. Another striking resemblance lies in the realm of emotions. Stoics are known for their emotional resilience. They cultivate an inner peace that remains unswayed by external circumstances. They don't suppress emotions, rather they understand them and choose not to be controlled by them. In a similar vein, AI lacks emotion. It processes data and makes decisions based on logic and algorithms, devoid of any emotional influence. This lack of emotion in AI is not due to suppression, but rather a fundamental characteristic of its design, mirroring in a way the Stoics' mastery over their emotions. Additionally, both Stoics and AI value objectivity. Stoics strive to see the world as it is, without the clouding influence of personal bias or emotion. This allows them to make decisions based on reason and wisdom. Similarly, AI operates on unbiased algorithms. It makes decisions based on data, not personal beliefs or emotions. This objectivity allows AI to make accurate predictions and efficient decisions. In essence, the Stoics' focus on what's controllable, emotional resilience, and objective outlook echo intriguingly in the world of AI. While the two are rooted in vastly different fields, one in ancient philosophy, the other in modern technology, they intersect in these key areas. These parallels suggest that Stoicism and AI are not as different as they might initially appear. So can the principles of Stoicism be applied to artificial intelligence? This question has been at the heart of our discussion today. We've traversed the landscapes of ancient philosophy and cutting-edge technology, and now we stand at the crossroads where these two seemingly disparate entities meet. In our exploration, we've seen that Stoicism and artificial intelligence share a common thread, a focus on logic and rationality. Stoicism, the philosophy of tranquility and acceptance, posits that we should not be disturbed by things outside our control. In a similar vein, artificial intelligence operates on a set of predefined parameters, unswayed by the tumultuous sea of human emotions. Yet there are stark differences as well. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of human virtues such as wisdom and courage, elements that are not inherently present in artificial intelligence. AI, on the other hand, is a tool, a construct of human ingenuity, devoid of consciousness or personal experience. So, where does this leave us? The potential benefits of integrating Stoic principles into AI development are manifold. For one, it could lead to more emotionally intelligent machines capable of navigating the complexities of human interaction. Additionally, it could help in the creation of AI that respects the bounds of what it can and cannot control, leading to safer and more ethical use. Yet it's important to remember that this intersection is not a one-way street. AI can also influence our understanding of Stoicism. It can challenge us to re-examine our definition of consciousness, to question the nature of virtues, and to explore the very essence of what it means to be human. As we move forward, we must tread carefully, ensuring that the lessons we learn from Stoicism are not lost in translation, but rather are used to guide us in our quest to harness the power of artificial intelligence responsibly. In this intersection of ancient wisdom and modern technology, we find surprising connections and potential for future exploration. Let us continue to probe, to question, and to learn as we navigate this exciting frontier.